It's so hot today. I know. And there's nothing to do. I know. Looking for a distraction from the heat? Yes! You bored and have nothing to do today? Yes! Then come on down to the city's newly opened pool. We just started yesterday. Well, not yesterday. Yeah, we just started 2 days ago. And it's filled up. It would have been faster, but the pool had to fill up first. The pool had to fill up first, so we couldn't. So come on down to the city's newly opened pool. Well, I don't really like water that much. I heard Sam is gonna be there. I'm in. Hello. That hurt my head. Ow. What? Ow. Ow. Let's go to the pool. Da 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 da. Da 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 da. Da 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 da. Da 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 da. Da 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 da. Da 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 da. Da 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 da. Da 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 da. Where is everyone? I have no idea. But this water sure is cold. Yeah, I know. Hello. Ow!
He did a cannonball.
He splashed the water everywhere.
Cannonball.
Well, this pool is tiny. Whee! This is a crowded pool, Phoebe. I know. You make my heart so nice. So nice.
Excuse me?